Hi, it's Tom Bowley here from the Property Centre, and today we're on Hotwell Road and we're at this beautiful 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom end of terrace townhouse. The views of Bristol Harbour side, the SS Great Britain, Ashton Court and Ashton Gate are all visible out of almost all of the windows in there. It's absolutely fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you're interested in viewing this beautiful property, or equally if you'd like a valuation of your own property, please feel free to get in contact using the details below. Many thanks.